Parts of Karachi received light rain on Saturday as the Pakistan Meteorological Department forecast more showers across the city through Monday, August 3. According to reports, light rain was recorded in Gulshan-i-Maimar, Gulshan-i-Haid, Superhighway, and nearby areas. The Pakistan Meteorological Department has predicted light to moderate rainfall accompanied by dust, thunderstorms, and gusty winds in Karachi from Saturday through Monday, with occasional breaks between spells. The weather department said a westerly wave currently affecting the northern parts of the country is expected to strengthen and extend its influence over the upper and central regions, contributing to the changing weather conditions. Under the influence of this weather system, Karachi is expected to experience moderate rainfall along with thunderstorms and dusty conditions during the forecast period. The PMD has also predicted moderate to heavy rainfall in several districts of Sindh, including Tharparkar, Umarkot, Mirpurkhas, Bedin, Sanghar, Khairpur, Tando Muhammad Khan, Tando Alahyar, Hyderabad, Madiari, and Shahid Benazirabad. Rainfall accompanied by dust and thunderstorms is also expected in Gafki, Kashmir, Jacobabad, Shikarpur, Sukkar, Kambar Shadadkat, Larkana, Nashiro Faroes, Thada, and Jamshoro districts. For Saturday, the weather department forecast Karachi's maximum temperature to remain between 34 and 36 degrees Celsius. The PMD also predicted cloudy weather across the city, with the possibility of rain, thunderstorms, and gusty winds as the weather system continues to affect the region over the coming days.